football.
Tama. So lumamang na po ang Adamson, Lasal dito.
Lasal.
They were down 3, now they're up 2. Gumabaw couldn't handle it.
Poor first ball. Ito yung kanina pa that Coach Ramil has been saying. That's why we're not able to run the plays because of the poor first balls that you're having.
Team captain.
So I would think that marami silang mga quick plays. But now they're not able to run it because of just like what you saw,
Parang,
another poor first ball.
The construction of the point is not how they want it. Great dig, save. Lasal trying to recover here as they open up to Pineda, goes down the line and he puts it away.
And a smart move there by Pineda going down the line.
Hindi niya masyadong hinapaw.
Yes, and then look, mahabol yung blockers. Yep, scrambling for that block. And there was a huge space for that open down the line hit.
Wala masyadong karga. Talagang accuracy lang para kay Pineda dun sa play na yon.
Combination play, and that goes out. Triple block coming from the Lady Falcons.
So it's 21-20, a more competitive second set here as Adamson trying to stall the defending champions. Reyes, the rookie. Nice serve. Zapanta takes it. They open up to Sheila again. That's 4 touches, according to the referee. Net block on Pineda. Did not get the elevation that she wanted. So now it's Coach Dulce calling a timeout. Makinig muna tayo kay Mami.
Score 20, Adamson 22.
Huwag kayong sumabay. Ha? Okay? May. Kapapasok lang. Nandun. Ha? Okay, Pei. Mahaba yung kamay doon. Ha? Ito, Kaya dapat matuto kang paano yung gagawin yung lagay.
Kapitan natin, te.
Okay.
Dalawa lang yan.
Dalawa lang yan, Kayang-kaya pa yan. Kaya ninyo i-gawin yan. Sipag lang, sipag. Bayad, sipag.
More volleyball action this Wednesday, November 30.
Now, Coach Mami trying to delay itong momentum, stall the momentum of Lasal. Have taken over here by 2 points and are 3 points away. We're getting a 2-0 lead. Wednesday, lipat po tayo sa Blue Eagle Gym in Ateneo for volleyball action. Alam mo dati dun sa Panta here, alam mo dati dami rin tayong linaro dun sa Blue Eagle. Naalala mo nung nagsisimula tayo mag-coverage ng UAP volleyball. Kahit basketball nga, dami nating linaro dun dati.
That's right.
Zapanta!
No coverage at all after the blockers of the LSU. Look at this. Just that huge space that Zapanta was able to find.
Zapanta. Maranyo. Maranyo asking for it, but they go to Cha Cruz. Somebody hit the net. Referees didn't call it anymore. Pineda. Cha again, this side. Makatuno. Back to Pineda, a little closer to the net. This is not what she wants. Maranyo is checked. Ball is still alive. And in play. They go back to Sheila. Off speed, too high. Esperanza. On the second touch. Babawi sana si Makatuno. Cha Cruz, coverage by Kinlog. Open again. Pineda again. Checked again. Wow, Vasquez doing such an incredible job on the floor for Adamson. There she is again. One more time for Pineda. Easy take by Galang. Ayaw mamatay nitong bola na to.
Still playable.
Lasal. Esperanza. Running is Maranyo. She sends it to the net. And the long rally seemed to frustrate Lasal.
That's right. Patience is truly a virtue.
Nakakapikon nga naman, ano?
Yun, you know, I remembered before, yung UE was really so difficult to beat kasi ganyan sila, nakakapikon yung defense.
Ayaw tapusin.
Ayaw tapusin.
Ay, sus, pinanonood mo yung kasama mo lang. Humihinto. Blanco ang nangyari. Di ba? Dalawang Spider-Man, free ball, ano gagawin? Ano tinatawag mo? Wala kang tinatawag. Depensa na tayo, o receive lang maayos, baka mag-last tayo, okay? Ha? execute na maayos ang play, tawag ng tapos pag hindi, block tayo, dahan-dahan. Huwag tayo magmadali kasi over na ng kalaban. Hindi naman umatake. Nagigil labi. Sabi malakas eh. Gamit ng ulo.
Na tayo dito at 20-all. Pagbalikan natin yung sinabi mo, no, Mosey, when you were playing, yun yung sinasabi mo na,
You engage,
Oo.
you talagang maiinis ka because they're not so much they're not offensive.
Yeah.
Pero yung defense is really there. It
So you get
frustrates
frustrated,
you.
and when you get frustrated, you lose your patience and you make wrong decisions
Yes.
sometimes. Off the block.
Shakus.
You know, here's a question now for a team like LaSalle in this unit. And Chuck Cruz may be the answer to this question. You know, you always look for go-to players,
Finishers, no?
the finishers,
Yeah.
the closers, as I used to call Aizo Maizo, no? Na halatang walang-wala sa UST kahapon. Eh? Now, who do you go to if you're LaSalle? You have Maranyo, you have Chuck Cruz.
Of course, and that's actually a luxury. But of course, Cruz would be the best
Okay.
option.
Kasi yan yung
Being
role nila.
older and
okay.
having so much experience.
Yan ang role nila Ila Santos dati, role nila Steph.
So Cruz also has a lot of championship experience
Correct.
in her, and that's what you want, diba? During crucial games.
Yung hindi natitinag.
Yep.
Yung the moment, not caught up in the moment. Oy!
One there for the second ball, though.
As we always look for that.
Gusto mo you want somebody there to close it out. Parang tama kasi Aiza Maizo, sometimes you won't even score so much in a game.
Pero sa dulo.
Pero sa dulo, when they need her,
Correct.
she would always respond.
And that's what they missed yesterday. When I was watching that match against Ateneo yesterday, yung nagkakadikdikan na, oy, tabla tayo dito. Ay, hindi, pumasok pala.
Yes,
Ay, went in.
getting
Kala
that
ko.
point, Maranyo, on that running hit once again.
Lumaglag pala yung bola sa gilid. So, LaSalle, 2-0. Pag-usapan natin to sa aming pagbabalik. Pag-usapan natin yung mga laro kahapon. What we were talking about in a while. But first, 25-20, 25-23. LaSalle one set away from their first victory.